Initially, we chose Lake Kerkini as the most important wetland of our region. Our school is situated at Kilkis in the prefecture of Central Macedonia of Greece. This specific area, Lake Kerkini, is protected by the network Natura 2000. On April 11, 2016, the students and some members of the faculty of the first senior high school of Kilkis that are participating in the program Erasmus eLearning by eNature visited the region of Lake Kerkini. When we visited the surrounding area of the lake and the nearby Center of Environmental Education, we decided to adopt a part of the lakeshore. Furthermore, we watched and recognized some of the endemic bird species. We also studied the vegetation. The students took photographs of human intervention and studied the quality of the lake's water. Our goal now is to emphasize the significance of the artificial lake and comprehend the value of the wetland. To be more specific, Lake Kerkini is situated 45 kilometers west of Ceres, near the village Lithotopos. The current artificial lake, Kerkini, is located at Boutkovo, which identified by most researchers of historical geography of Eastern Macedonia as ancient Prasias Lake. The river Strimon was worshipped as a god in ancient times for the generous donation of its water in Ceres Plain, but for devastating power when flooded, entering Greece coming from Bulgaria. Before uniting with the waters of the Gulf Strimonikos, rested on the Lake Kerkini. So, the creation was intended to halt the flooding, retention of sediments, and the irrigation of the plain of Ceres. The pond creation project started in 1928 and completed in 1936. These projects included the creation of embankments, the construction of a dam draining the Lake Achinos, creating irrigation canals, ditches, the network construction and arrangement of streams in order to increase and simultaneously to protect agricultural production, which, as the main economic activity of Ceres, directly depends on the ability of water resource of Kerkini Lake. Over the years, the lake's capacity was limited by the debris of the Struma River, and so in 1982, a new dam was built with new mounds, which increased the surface of the lake seasonally from 54,000 up to 72,000 acres, with a periodic variation in the level of plus 32 meters up to the plus 36 meters. The increasing water level from 1991 tipped the balance, and the cluster of various species and flora and fauna began to shrink the years after. In the region of Lake Kerkini, there is a wide range of geological fossils. The rocks of the area consist of transformed stones formed during the Paleozoic period, into which plutonic has penetrated, formed during the Cenozoic period. The lowland area consists of sedimentary rocks which come either from deposits of rivers and streams of the region or marine sediments formed in earlier geological periods. One of the greatest factors that affects promptly the quality of the lake's water is the temperature. The temperature acts upon the function of an organism that lives in the lake, such as its reproduction. The temperature varies from spot to spot of the lake. It is determined by the depth and depends on the season and the time of the day. Also, it depends on how people use the land in the vicinity of the lake. When our team visited Lake Kerkini at April 11, 2016, during noon, while the weather was average, the temperature of the lake in a distance of 5 centimeters from the surface of the water was 2 degrees Celsius.